Dear students, I hope all of you are fine. We are going to start today a new chapter, which is basically chapter number 5. Acha ji, for chapter number 4, I have already given you the classwork and the homework. I had already given you the classwork and the homework for your chapter number 4, and it was uploaded in your Google Classroom. Now we have to start chapter number 5 today. I hope all of you are able to listen to me. I have muted your mics, but if you have got any question, then you can ask me. Those students who have not mentioned their classes, their names with their classes, they should leave and rejoin again with the class mentioned in front of their names. Class should be mentioned in front of your name. Okay, ji. So today we are going to start a new chapter. As I have told you, this is chapter number 5. Chapter number 5, Audacity. This is given in your books, page number 82. Fine. This is the chapter that we are going to start. Yes, Hassan, you want to ask something? Hassan P3C.
Sir, when I entered, you gave me the code for Google Classroom. When I entered the code, it was not joining the class.
Please pay attention and look at the screen. You are in which class? You are in P3?
P3C.
Okay. You will click in the Google Classroom tab. You know, Google Classroom लिख के हम पहले classroom.google.com ये लिखेंगे. ठीक है? Then you will go to this option. आप इस पर गए create or join class.
Yes.
Join class पे click करेंगे and you will mention the code over here. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir. I entered the code, but it was coming the wrong code.
Okay, fine. See now in the screen. Keep in mind ke your Google Classroom code, you are in P3C. Your Google Classroom code is case sensitive. Case sensitive का मतलब क्या है? ये आपका Google Classroom code, इसको अभी login करके देख लें आप. Just check it quickly. Case sensitive मतलब the small letter should be in small and the capital letter should be in capital. AUG 7EMD, it is for the P3C. कैपिटल को कैपिटल में, स्मॉल को स्मॉल में. यहाँ सारे स्मॉल हैं, 7 आ रहा है बीच में, नो स्पेस. So when you will write the correct code, you will be able to join. Okay, Hassan?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Sir,
Note it down quickly. Acha ji. So students, today we are going to start the new chapter, which is basically the chapter number 5. This is the chapter that we are going to start today. Okay. Chapter number 5, as I have told you, okay, it is about audacity. Audacity means, or it is from the word of audible, and you know about it. Okay, audio is basically the word means referring to the sound. Referring to the sound. This chapter is being started from page number 82 in your books. I am showing you on your screen. You can see on screen if you don't have the book right now in front of you. So you can see on the screen. Please pay attention and look at the screen. Audacity, when you need to work with the sounds, it is very interesting, you know, interesting software that we are going to start. And I hope, inshallah, you are going to enjoy and you are going to work in it very interestingly, very keenly. Audacity is a popular freeware software, free software. Free software क्या होता है? It is free of cost available. You don't need to pay for it. and you can download it directly. Some softwares, you know, are there which requires payment or licensing. So these are not free of cost. But over here, Audacity that we are going to use is basically a free of cost software. Okay. अच्छा, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट सॉफ्टवेयर मेंट फॉर एडिटिंग रिकॉर्डिंग साउंड्स. जो भी साउंड्स होंगी हम उसको एडिट कर सकते हैं. वी कैन एडिट इट. We can make different portions of the sound files. We can merge two files. We can add our own voice in the file. We can add merge two files. मतलब different kinds of operations are there related to sound only. Keep in mind, it does not deal with the video. It deals with audio only. You know very well there are some audio formats, just like .wav file is an audio file, .mp3 audio file. So there are some audio formats. So we will be dealing only audio files, not video files. Keep in mind. Okay. So this is the software that we are going to start. And over here, how you can download it is the thing that you need to understand. You will type Google, see the process. Type Google. In the Google, mention free download Audacity. Free download Audacity. You will write this statement and you will be able to see the link. It is the link. Here is the link for the Audacity software. Okay. Audacity.org. So you will find out that this link is available over here. When you will click on it, you will reach the, this is the link, download Audacity. Okay. audacityteam.org, it is the name of the link. When you will click on this, you will reach the official site of the audacityteam.org and you are there on the download page. See, this is the icon of the file. When you will reach here, you will see that Audacity for Windows, Audacity for Mac operating system, Audacity for Linux, etc. But keep in mind that we are concerned about, of course, Audacity for the Windows. Windows के लिए हमें चाहिए version of the Audacity. When you will click on it, just like I clicked on which option, Audacity for Windows. When I'll click on it, I will reach to this page, Audacity, download Audacity Windows. Then you will scroll it down, you will see Audacity 2.4.2 installer. So you will click on it. When you will click on it, this page will be opened in front of you. Audacity installer को हमने click किया. When we clicked on the Audacity installer, this page is now opened in front of us. And then over here, you will see the download button and you will be able to download it. Okay. So when you will download the Audacity software, it will comes in your downloads, and then I have already downloaded, so I'm not downloading it right now. I have already downloaded. Junaid Khurshid, you want to ask something? Yes, Junaid.
Sir, where is the download button?
Achha, over here, you can see that just a minute. Here are the links, you know, Windows installer, Mac installer. So you will click on the Audacity Windows installer. Audacity Windows installer. When you will click on it, it will start downloading. Now see, Audacity is being downloaded over here. Okay? And when you will go to your downloads, these three buttons are there in the Google Chrome. When you want to go to downloads, click here, go to download. See here that it is being downloaded. It has been downloaded. Okay, ये हो गया download. You can see. Then you will click on the show in the folder. Show in folder. ये आ गया यहाँ पे downloads. When you will double click on it, it will ask you, okay, do you want to run? Keep in mind that when you are running it, your PC should be logged in with the administrator. For example, if your parents had made have made you the user who is basically, you know, not an administrator, you won't be able to you won't be able to install it. So you must be logged in with the admin options. You will click on run button, it will be installed. Okay, it will not take that much time. I'm not clicking on it. Why? Because I have already installed. Okay. Now I think the procedure is clear to you. I don't think so that there is any issue. Junaid Khurshid, Junaid, you have found the option?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. Actually, I am clicking on the cancel button because I have already downloaded. Okay. So this is the procedure how the Audacity will be downloaded in your system. You will double click on it and you will be able to install in your PC. Fine. Now, how we can see that how it looks like? Come here. One shortcut has been created on your desktop. But if you will go to the start menu, if the shortcut is not there on your desktop, go to the start menu and type AU. जैसे ही आप AU type करोगे तब यहाँ start menu में भी you will be able to see that Audacity is there. Shortcut is there on the desktop as well. Fine. यहाँ तक clear है. Now click on it. Click on it. Then you will see that the Audacity has been opened. Okay. अच्छा अभी आप नहीं करें ये काम. अभी आप सिर्फ देखें. Just look at the screen. Please look at the screen and try to understand. Video inshallah will be available to you in your Google Classroom. For the whole download process, the download process is there. You can go through it. But right now I have shown you all the steps and you will be able to download and install. Now I have opened the Audacity in front of you to give you the introduction with it. ठीक है? अभी मैं इसकी चीजें कुछ छोटी-छोटी सी चीजें small things are there. And it is very interesting software. I'm going to elaborate the things. ठीक है? Up to here, if you have got any question, please ask. यहाँ तक अगर कोई सवाल, if you have got any question, kindly ask me. Please. If you've got any question, please ask me. Raise the hand. Abdul Muiz, yes. Yes, Abdul Muiz. I have unmuted your mic.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
Sir, this is the app Audacity. Sir, can it edit videos or only audio?
As I have discussed already, okay, its name is also showing. What is its name? Audacity. Okay.
Audacity.
So it is only restricted to audios.
Audio.
Okay. No video. Video is not there.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Only audios. Audios may, if you are going to merge two files or cut some portion of an audio file, so it is going to do this job. Getting this point? Acha ji. Anyone else? Any other student who has got any question? No question? Good. अच्छा जी. Now please see. Some buttons are there. अच्छा कुछ buttons वो हैं जिससे आप already you are aware. Like pause button when your audio is being played. These all are the player buttons. You would have seen these player buttons in the Windows Media Player, in VLC Player, DVD Player, Jet Audio, all the audio player softwares that you install in your Android or in your laptops or tablets. You will see that these buttons are always there. Which buttons? These all buttons. Similarly, you have got this button. You would have seen this button, which is record button. In your Android, you would have seen this button when you are doing with the recording of the audio or video. Then this button is there. But over here, it is only restricted for the audio recordings. Okay. So if I click on it, so it will start recording the voice just like I have already clicked on it. So it may record the voice and you can record a 1 minute, 2 minute, whatever the file that you want to record. And when you will click on this button, stop button, so it will be stopped. Okay, the recording will be stopped, of course. So there are some steps. Okay, so it will start recording the voice just like I have already clicked on it. So it may record the voice and you can record a 1 minute, 2 minute, whatever the file that you want to record. And when you will click on this button stop. ठीक है, मैंने इसको प्ले करके दिखाया अभी आपको. I have just played it. When I am playing, it is running. So it will. This is the recording that I have already clicked on it. Done over here. So it may record the voice and you. Okay, let me do it. Stop. So the start button is there. This record button is there to make recording. Okay. अच्छा जी. Now. Some different options are there. If you go to the internet, you can download some sample files. Now see how we can download sample audio. यहाँ पे मैं लिख रहा हूँ download sample audio files. Okay. When you go to the sample audio file, there are a number of links. Right click on it. Open the files, different audio files, simple files that we can use for our working. अच्छा जी. Just like अगर आप if you see over here MP3, select file size and download. MP3 पे मैं click करता हूँ. I go to this option. Small file, we should see some small file. Okay, just like 700 KB, 1 MB or 2 MB. 1 MB file is more than enough. ठीक है, I click on it, it will be downloaded. ठीक है, this was the audio file that I used in your HTML class as well. ठीक है, for example, this is a 1 MB file. So these are the simple audio files. So you can go there and you can download any of the audio file that you consider that we should download it, and you will see that they have some different extensions. We are going to have MP3 files, audio MP3 files are there that we are going to have. Now I just like on this link when I click, so it will be downloaded, but it is requiring for the login, so we will not go to such options. All these students will keep their cameras closed. I would like to download such kind of recording that I have already showed you. Okay, for example, this is an audio file. This is a 2-minute 12-second audio file. I will right click on it and will click on the download button. This will be downloaded and will come in my downloads. ठीक है, ये यहाँ आ गई download. So I have shown you the process how you can download a file, sample file. Small files लेके आप इस पे working कर सकते हो. You can do your work on small files. अच्छा जी, now we move towards the Audacity. अच्छा, वापस आते हैं Audacity पे. अच्छा, यहाँ पे if I have got one file, let's suppose let me अभी मैंने ये जो रिकॉर्ड की है फाइल, I have recorded this file ना, ये देखिए when I click, so it will start recording. ये रिकॉर्ड फाइल की है, ठीक है. ये जो the file that I have already recorded, I am going to click on the file button and I am going to click on the save project. अच्छा, save project will save this file. When you will click on it, it will say कि Audacity project. You are going to make an Audacity project, Audacity file. This will be opened in the Audacity software only. Okay, click on it. Now keep in mind that right now we are going to save this file. Where I am going to save? I am going to save it in my 8th class, which is P3 class, and in chapter number 5. Okay, I am writing here lesson 1 recording. ठीक है. अच्छा, what is the extension of this file? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me with which extension right now I am saving my file? Please raise the hand. You look at the screen and just tell me the answer. Okay, Kamlesh Kumar. Yes, Kamlesh.
Sir, MP3.
No, see on the screen. I am saving Right now I am saving my file that I recorded by
Sir,
pressing
dot
the
AUP, sir, dot AUP,
dot
dot
AUP.
AUP.
Okay, good. Dot AUP. Acha, Abdul Muiz, you have also raised the hand. Muhammad Maaz. Okay, Muhammad Maaz.
Yes, sir.
With which extension we are saving it right now?
Sir, dot odd dot AUP.
AUP. Audio program. This is basically audio program. AUP is the extension for the file which is basically saved by Audacity. Saved by the Audacity. Keep in mind. Acha, this
Sir,
file.
how
Yes, please.
how did you where's the audio?
How did I?
Save the audio.
By going to the see again. By going to the save project. Okay, and in this way I went to the location where I want to save. I want to save in my G drive. Over here in the G drive. Okay, in the PSM P3 folder, Audacity folder, I am saving here. I will mention the name over here. Mars, this thing is now clear. Lesson
Yes, sir.
1. ठीक है, lesson 1 recording. अच्छा जी. Now when I will click on it, it will be saved. Keep in mind that it will be opened in the Audacity software. Why? Because it is right now Audacity file. ठीक है, जरूरी नहीं है कि it is not necessary कि it will be opened in all the audio players. Why? Because it is not an MP3 file. It is an Audacity file which can be opened in Audacity. Acha. If you want to open it in the MP3 other player, for example, any other player that is basically using MP3 or someone else, so then you will have to convert it. अच्छा, अभी मैं click करता हूँ, it will be saved. Save हो गया. Now I close this Audacity. I have saved and I have closed the Audacity. Now I will go to the open folder. Now you will see that my lesson is there in the P3 class, and over here chapter 5, this is the recording, lesson 1 recording. It is showing you that it is an Audacity file. Keep in mind, it is showing you when you bring the cursor over here, it is showing you it is an Audacity file. इसका icon देखिए आप किस तरह का है, the Audacity file, and it is having which size, 2.39 KB. When it was created, 13th August 12:38 p.m. Okay, all the information is coming to you. When you will right click on it, you will go to the properties. You will see that it is basically an Audacity file. What is the extension of the file? Audacity. Okay, when you will double click on it, so it will be opened in the Audacity software only. This is the thing that I want to make you clear. Okay, now when you will click on the play button, so it will start recording. It is now played. It is not played. Achha. Now question arises over here, if we want to open this file in any other Windows Media Player or VLC player or Jet Audio or any other player, how we can open this? If you right click on it and go to the open with option, so हो सकता है कि ये it is not showing us कि it could be open in any other software or not. ठीक है? Let's suppose if I open the Windows player, ठीक है? Windows Media Player. Let's suppose if I open the Windows Media Player and if I go to the Windows Media Player if I try to open this file, so not necessary it will be opened in the Windows Media Player. So how we can convert it? This is the thing that we need to understand. We can convert the Audacity file into some other format. Just like if we go to the export option, export, then we can export it into MP3. हम इसको क्या बना सकते हैं? We can make it an MP3 file that could be open with the Windows Media Player, VLC player. अच्छा, अगर अपने इसको, if we haven't converted it into Windows into MP3 format, Let me check it whether it is opening in the VLC player or not. Let me check it. If I open the VLC player, I will go to the media option and I will open the file. Let me see the result. Okay, either it is supporting the VLC player. The VLC player is not supporting this thing. So VLC player is not opening this file. It is not showing this file when I'm going to class P3 and I'm going to the audio files. These are not being opened. नहीं खुल रही यहाँ पे. ठीक है? How we can do this job? We will have to export it. But before applying the export option, I would like to mark the attendance first. I will अच्छा जी, from Abdul Moiz P3C to Muhammad Maaz, and from Muhammad Maaz to Zaid bin Imran. Okay, fine. Acha ji, please, how we can export it in the format so that it can be or it should be opened in the other players as well, Windows Media Player, Jet Audio, or other players. So how we can do this job? Again, we will go to the Audacity. I'm opening the Audacity software. I'm opening how to open the file. I will go to the open option. I will go to the my lesson 1 recording. Now this is the file. So it will start. File, I will go to the file. I will go to the export option. I will click on export as MP3. Export as MP3. It will ask me where you want to save. ठीक है? Export वहीं पर save कर रहा हूँ मैं. I am saving it. I am saving where in my folder where I have got my data for the P3 class. And here in the Audacity, यहीं पर save कर रहा हूँ. I am saving it over here. Now see what is the extension. MP3 format. We can save it MP3, OGG format, FLAC file, or the other formats are also there. But keep in mind that this is the option. It will appear when we want to save it in the MP3 format. So we will take this format. It is the famous format for audio files. When I will click on it, the file will be saved. Some information will be mentioned over there. Anyway, click OK. Doesn't matter. Now close the Audacity again. Close the Audacity. Now come to the folder where I am working. I am working in this folder now. PSM class 8th. Okay, I am working over here in the P3 class. Now see, lesson 1 recording. It is the file of the Audacity file that we had created earlier, जो हमने Audacity में बनाया. Then this is the file which is basically the MP3 file. See the extension. This is MP3 file 424 KB and this is Audacity file 3 KB. If I click on the Audacity file, I go to the properties. It is showing me that it is an op file, Audacity file, Audacity project file, Audacity program file, or Audacity project file. Okay. But when I click on the lesson 1 recording, same thing is there inside it. But when I click on it and I go to the properties, it will show me that this is MP3 file. Keep in mind the extension. File name is lesson 1 recording, but now this time this is MP3 file. Achha ji. Now when I click on it, so it could be open in the VLC player. It could be open in with the TV and audio application of the Windows. Just like right now it is open in the TV and audio application. ये TV and audio application में open हो गई. ठीक है? So it will start recording the voice. It is running right now. It is running. It may record the voice and you can. Now if I click on it and if I want to open it with some other software, for example VLC player, Windows Media Player, it will be opened. It is showing now the options. Open with me options show हो रहे हैं. So it may record the voice and it is working. Record a. If I right click on it, if I go to the open with option and I go to the VLC player, it will be open. So it will start recording the voice just like I have already clicked on it. So it may record the voice and you can record a. Okay. Now, the important thing is that what we have learned today, this is an important thing. Basically, the key points are there that I am going to mention here. Introduction with the Audacity. Audacity, what is Audacity? We have discussed today. Number one, how to download Audacity. We have discussed. Okay. Then how to install Audacity in PC with Windows. How to install Audacity. Number 3. These all are the points that we have already covered today. Okay. Then we saw how to open Audacity. How to open the Audacity from the start menu and from the desktop icon. Then we saw how to record a file. Then we saw how to save a file. With which extension? With .aup extension. Okay. How to open a file. Then how to open a file. हमने उसको close किया. We close the Audacity and then we opened. How to open a file which is an .aup file, means Audacity file. ठीक है. अच्छा जी. Then what are the things that we have covered? What are the things that we have covered? How to export a .aup file to .mp3 file. Then what we see? How to open a converted MP3 file to MP3 file in VLC, in Windows Media Player, etc. Are you getting this point? Acha ji. So these all are the things that we have gone through today. These all are the points that we have gone through. If you have got any question, please ask me. Kindly raise the hand so that I can know you have got any question. Today it is 13th of August. I will upload this file in your Google Classroom, so that you can go through it. Yes, please. Anything that you want to ask, please raise the hand. Okay, please raise the hand. It means everything is clear to all of you. Nothing is there which is not clear. Anything that you would like to ask, please. So now what you will do, you will follow these all things that I have mentioned over here. Okay, what is introduction with the Audacity? Okay, the purpose of Audacity, purpose of using Audacity, why we use Audacity. Yes, who will tell me now about it? Kindly. Please raise the hand. Raise the hand now. Uwais Yasin. P3C. Uwais Yasin. Uwais Yasin. Unmute your mic and tell me the points that we have discussed. Who will give me? Who will give me the? Yes, please. Uwais Yasin.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, yes.
Yes, please.
We studied today about the introduction to Audacity
Yes.
and how to install it, how to work, little work you explained today, and then how to take the sample recordings from the internet, how to convert the Audacity file into MP3 file.
Good. We also saw one more thing. How to download, just like Avas has mentioned, okay, how to download sample files, sample audio files from internet. This is another thing that we discussed today. Good point, Avas. Acha ji, please raise the hand now. Who will summarize all these things that we have discussed today? Please raise the hand. Asad Masood.
Yes, sir.
Will you please elaborate what you have learned today?
Sir, at first you told us what Audacity is. It is an app that is used to create video audios and play audios, edit the file, add the audio and else. And then you showed how to download it. After that, you downloaded it, you installed it in your computer, and then
Okay.
you open Audacity, recorded a file. After
Okay,
that,
fine.
you
Fine,
edit the
Wes.
file and
Okay, fine. Thank you. You have explained the points, what are basically the different points that we are discussing. Good. So these all are the things, if you have got, because our class time is now about 2 hours, if you have got any question related to any of these points, please ask me so that we can conclude it. Please. No question is there. Yes, Mohammed Maz.
Sir, at the start you record your voice in Audacity, then you save that file with the extension of .aup, right?
Yes, good. And how did I record? कैसे record किया मैंने? How did I record? By clicking the record button? Yes.
Yes, but by pressing the red button.
Yeah, record button. It's simple, you know. You will find it quite interesting, and you will enjoy this software. And you can do different kinds of editings in it. So this is a very convenient software. So I hope you are going to learn a lot of things over there. This thing is now clear? Okay.